The contest come and gone. So must our differences dissipate in the cause of the greater good of moving our dear nation ahead. Especially, I wish to thank my worthy opponents in the presidential election. Our collective goal is to live for our children a Nigeria better, stronger. I've extended a hand of friendship to all my colleagues who contested with me in this election. And I want all Nigerians belonging to other political parties to join hands together with the People's Democratic Party to work hard in moving this country ahead.